May of 2020 and the campus of Princeton University is strangely quiet. Typically during this time of year, the place would be bustling, with students moving out, workers prepping for reunions, or the usual stream of tourists meandering across these historic grounds. But not this year. Thanks to the COVID-19 global pandemic, all those plans have changed. And on this episode of Destination Anywhere, we're going to take a closer look. There's arguably no other time of year that you can feel the excitement pulsing through campus more than in late May and early June. Normally in May, it's common to see students moving about campus with luggage and other belongings as they gear up for their move back home for the summer. This year, though, the majority of students left in March, around the time the virus started popping up in New Jersey. With the students gone, many of the historic halls and gathering spots across campus now sit empty and closed. Another casualty of the pandemic is the cancellation of the reunion ceremonies that take place in late spring every year. Typically, these open courtyards would already have stages, tents, and other temporary structures to accommodate the thousands of alumni that flock to Princeton every year. For one weekend, the campus is completely flooded with members of the Princeton family, but not this year. Of course, no academic year is complete without commencement, which typically takes place outside Nassau Hall. While the graduation ceremony won't physically take place here like in years past, graduating students will still receive their recognition during a virtual ceremony. To say things are different this May is obviously an understatement. But like we all know, it's not just in Princeton but all over the world. While it's too early to tell what things will be changed forever, one constant is human triumph in the face of adversity. With that said, everyone out there, be well, stay safe, and keep the faith. And before you know it, the new normal will be right in front of us.